In this area we have the modeling zone. That's where all your 3D models are going to be occurring. Specification tree on the left side with all the layers of your different piping and mechanical equipment. Located at the bottom we have all of the sectioning tools, measuring tools, and various design review tools. Here we're just going to spin the model so that you can see the complexity of our models as well as the fluidity that you can navigate through the models. Once you get the hang of using the mouse and navigating, it's quite fluid and easy to use. So here we're going to change into a perspective mode. Before we were in a parallel mode, which is more for analyzing parallel views and perpendicular views. This gives you a more realistic representation of the model and what it's going to look like on the field. Design Review also enables you to hide and show separate parts and components. So I'm going to take the crane and take that out, as well as hide the steel structure as well. The true power of CATIA comes in when you can use Design Review in conjunction with a lot of the tools available. So here I'm going to take a section of the building and actually get a closer look at the mechanical room. It's quite messy and there's a lot of piping going through there, so there could be a lot of problems. So maybe we'll take a head height measurement and just see how much space we have to work with in that room. Next, we can actually upload the blueprint documents and insert an image so you have an idea of what it's supposed to look like in the plans. We can communicate as well with the architects or the GCs or any other parties involved by adding annotations. These conflicts and annotations that we've created so far are actually stored on the cloud via markups and slides that can be referenced by you or anyone in the design team later on in the project. Here we have another issue with the drain tile coming into the footing, so just quickly circle it and annotate it, and there we have it. I've created another markup and another slide. Here again there's an HSS beam interfering with the CMU wall, so we'll create another markup and a slide. The power of this is that all of these slides and all these markups can be referenced later on throughout the project, and they're stored all on the cloud. Once your list of conflicts has been created, you can go back and reference any of the slides in the specification tree. This has been a brief introduction into Design Review and a few of the tools that you'll be able to use in your 3D Experience package.